Hello artists, today we're going to make magical pencil toppers, also called thaumatropes. A thaumatrope is a toy from the 1800s. It was really popular then, and it's an optical illusion toy. Classically, it's made by a disc with string that rotates, but we're going to make a much easier version that's super fun. In fact, this is something I did in my own childhood and I still remember from them because it's just so magical. A thaumatrope means a wonder turner in Greek, and when you spin it, it's going to combine two images. It's really easy to do and it's really fun to watch. Let's get started. A thaumatrope has one image on one side and one image on the other. I have my kitty joining me. And when you spin, it combines to make one image. It's based on the fact that your brain sees things for a little bit longer than your eye does. So it's an optical illusion of when you spin, it looks like it's one thing instead of two. You can do all sorts of variants. The classic version is a bird in a cage, but here I've done a cauldron with a potion. You can do a flower, a goldfish in a bowl. There's so many different options. A couple of pieces of advice: if you're worried about your image bleeding through, you should use something like crayon or colored pencil. If you use gel pen or marker, it may show up on the other side even when you aren't spinning. But I like to do gel pen anyway just because it's fun. Also, I recommend that you draw your more complicated image first. So for instance, on my ice cream, I drew the ice cream first, and then I held it up to a window to know where the first image was, to have that see through, and drew my cone. It's just easier when you're drawing to draw normally, so when you have the more simple thing, it's nice to do on the window instead of doing the complicated part on the window. That's pretty much it. If you enjoyed making this, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you have lots of fun with your thaumatrope. Have a colorful day.